One most important problem, 7 marks question. 7 marks question, mathematics 2B, third chapter, parabola, exercise 3A, third bit, first problem, most important problem. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus is minus 2 comma 3 and the directrix is the line 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Also find the length of the lattice rectum and equation of the axis of the parabola. Here totally we find the three values. First one is find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola. Second one is find the length of the lattice rectum of the parabola. Third one is equation of the axis of the parabola. Equation of the axis of the parabola. Here given that focus and directrix. Focus and directrix. Here first of all we prove first part. First part means find the equation of the parabola. Here given that focus S is equal to minus 2 comma 3. Minus 2 comma 3. Next one is equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix is 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here given that focus and equation of the directrix. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the parabola. Focus S minus 2 comma 3 is the focus. This is the equation of the directrix L. Equation of the directrix 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here let px comma y be any point. Px comma y be any point. Here Pm is the perpendicular distance from P to the directrix. By the definition of the parabola, Sp by Pm is equal to 1. If E is equal to 1, it is called a parabola. So Sp by Pm is equal to 1. This is equal to Sp is equal to Pm. Sp is equal to Pm. Like Px comma y be any point on the parabola. By the definition of the parabola, Sp is equal to Pm. Sp is equal to Pm. Sp means the distance between the 2 points. The distance between the 2 points. Here let S point x1 y1, P point x2 y2. The distance between the 2 points formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to Pm. x2 means x minus into minus, x1 is equal to minus 2 means plus 2 whole square plus y2 is equal to y, y1 is equal to 3 whole square under root is equal to Pm. Pm means the perpendicular distance from P to the directrix. The perpendicular distance means 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y minus 4 by under root of x coefficient to square plus y coefficient to square. Under root of x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 4 by 2 square 4 3 square 9 root 9. X plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square under root is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 4 by root 13. Taking root 13 left side. Root 13 into x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 4. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Here square root 13 whole square into under root of x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square under root whole square is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 4 whole square. Square root cancel. Square root cancel. 13 into x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 4 whole square. Simplifying 13 into a plus b whole square. A square x square b square 2 square 4 plus 2ab. 2 2s are 4. 4 into x 4x plus a minus b whole square. A square y square b square 3 square 9 minus 2ab. 2 3s are 6 into y 6y is equal to, this is the a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A square 2x whole square plus b square 3y square plus c square minus 4 whole square plus 2ab 2 into 2x into 3y plus 2bc 2 into 3y into minus 4 plus 2ca 2 into minus 4 into 2x. 13 into x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y is equal to 2x whole square 4x square plus 3y whole square 9y square minus 4 whole square 16 plus 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12xy 2 3s are 6 6 4s are 24y 2 4s are 8 8 2s are 16x. This total value multiply with 13. 13 into x square. 13x square. 13 4s are 52. 13 4s are 52x. 13 into y square. 13y square. 13 9s are 117. 117. 13 6s are 78y. This total value taking left side are equal to 4x square plus 9y square plus 16 plus 12xy minus 24y minus 16x. 13x square plus 52 plus 52x plus 13y square plus 170 minus 78y. This total value taking left side minus 4x square minus 9y square minus 16 minus 12xy plus 24y plus 16x equal to 0. Write down orderly. 13x square minus 4x square 9x square 9x square. Next one is y square. 13y square minus 9y square plus 4y square plus 4y square. Next one minus 12xy minus 12xy. Next x terms plus 52x plus 16x. 52 plus 16 68x. 68x. Y terms minus 78y plus 24y. 78 minus 24 minus 54y minus 54y. Again constant plus 52 plus 117 plus 117 plus 52 plus 52. 117 plus 52 7 2 9 156 169 minus 16 9 minus 6 3 6 minus 1 5 153 plus 153 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the parabola. Therefore 9x square plus 4y square minus 12xy plus 68x minus 54y plus 153 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the parabola whose focus is minus 2 comma 3 and the directrix is 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Second one is find the length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum of the parabola is 4a. Length of the lattice rectum of the parabola is 4a. Here, this is the diagram of the parabola. This is the focus minus 2 comma 3. This is the axis, x-axis. This is the y-axis. This is the directrix. 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the S focus. This is the vertex A. This is the Z. Here SA is equal to AZ is equal to A. So SZ is equal to 2A. SZ is equal to 2A. Here find the perpendicular distance from focus to directrix. Focus to directrix. The perpendicular distance from focus to directrix. SZ is equal to 2A. SZ is equal to the length of the 2A. Length of the 2A means the perpendicular distance from focus to directrix. The perpendicular distance formula 2 into x minus 2 plus 3 into y 3 minus 4 by under root of x coefficient to square plus y coefficient to square. Sz is equal to 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 3 3s are 9 minus 4 whole divided by 2 square 4 3 square 9. Sz is equal to minus 4 minus 8 plus 9 1 by root 13. Sz is equal to 2a is equal to 1 by root 13. 2a is equal to 1 by root 13. SA is equal to A, AZ is equal to A. So, SZ is equal to 2A. SZ is equal to 2A. SZ means the distance between the focus and the directrix. Here SZ is the perpendicular distance from focus to directrix. Here 2a is equal to 1 by root 13. 1 by root 13. Here length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum of a parabola is equal to 4a. 4a is equal to, write down 2 into 2a. 2 into 2a. 2 into 2a. 2a is equal to 1 by root 13. 1 by root 13. 2 1 2 by root 13. This is the length of the lattice rectum of a parabola is 2 by root 13. Next one is third one. Third one is find the equation of the axis of the parabola. Find the equation of the axis of the parabola. This is the axis, x-axis. This is the focus. This is the y-axis. This is the directrix L. Equation of the directrix 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the Z. This is the A. Focus minus 2 comma 3. Minus 2 comma 3. Here find the equation of the axis of the parabola. Here equation of the directrix is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Let us focus x naught, y naught. X naught, y naught. Here axis is perpendicular to directrix. Axis is perpendicular to directrix and focus passing through focus. Equation of the axis perpendicular to directrix and passing through focus of a parabola. Focus of a parabola. This is the equation of the straight line. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A line is passing through the point x0, y0, passing through the point x0, y0 and perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is b into x minus x0 minus a into y minus y0 is equal to 0 is the perpendicular line form. B into x minus x0 minus a into y minus y0 is equal to 0 means equation of the straight line passing through the point x0, y0 and perpendicular to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is b into x minus x0 minus a into y minus y0 is equal to 0. Here equation of the directrix 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and the equation of the axis perpendicular to the directrix and passing through the focus. Here focus x0, y0, equation of the directrix ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here equation of the axis is b into x minus x0 minus a into y minus y0 is equal to 0. Here b is equal to 3. X minus x0 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 minus a is equal to 2 y minus y0 3 is equal to 0. 3 into x 3x plus 3 to the 6 minus 2 into y 2y minus into minus plus 2 3 the 6 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2y 6 plus 6 12 is equal to 0. 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the directrix is 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0 is the equation of the axis. Sorry, equation of the axis of a parabola. This is the length of the lattice rectum of a parabola 2 by root 13. Equation of the axis of a parabola 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0.